Hello. On Erev Pesach that falls on Shabbat, we are left before the end of the time you can eat Chametz with some Chametz that we ate in the morning Seudah that was left from yesterday as well. What should we do with it? Chametz itself, you can flush it down the toilet. Chacham Ovadia says you should break, that it should not be a size of kazait, 27, 28 grams, a size of an ounce. You break it down, and you flush it down the toilet. What should we do with pots that have in it some chametz? You could wash it on Shabbat with your hand. Don't use a sponge. Don't use a towel because there's isur schita. With your hands, you wash it. Why is it not considered preparing for tomorrow? Because you need it for that Shabbat, clean out of the chametz. You can't have chametz on that Shabbat, and therefore one is allowed to clean it. You make sure to clean your teeth in a way that's permissible, and Ben Ish Chai says change your suits, change your pants, because you might have some chametz left on it. If one doesn't have another suit, therefore he can make sure to clean all that's on top of his suits, make sure that there's nothing there, do it in a place that's not in a house so the chametz doesn't fall in the house, and this way you'll be prepared for Pesach.